Today, let's speak about coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or clauses of equal importance in a sentence. The most common coordinating conjunctions in English are often remembered by the acronym FANBOYS, which indicate for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Let's discuss about them. Number 1, for, which indicates a reason or a cause. For example, she was on leave yesterday for she was sick. Number 2, and, which adds information. For example, I bought apples and oranges. Number 3, nor. It presents a negative alternative. For example, he didn't call nor did he send a message. Number 4, but. It shows contrast. For example, she is smart but lazy. Number 5, or. It presents an alternative or choice. For example, would you like tea or coffee? Number 6, yet. It introduces a contrasting idea but follows logically. For example, he is rich yet he is unhappy. Number 7, so. It indicates a result or effect. For example, it was raining so we stayed indoors. When using coordinating conjunctions, it's important to ensure that the connected elements are grammatically parallel, meaning they are of the same type, that is connecting to nouns, to verbs, to independent clauses, etc. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Do follow Tiju's Academy for more informative tips. ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.